Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to donate using Lazada. Today I'm going to tell you and I'm going to show you how to donate using Lazada. Because sometimes we want to donate to other people, but we don't know if we trust the person who we are donating the money to reach the other people. So right now I'm going to show you how to donate using Lazada. So right now, first thing you need to do is open up Lazada and click on account. And once you're here, scroll down until you see Lazada wallet. Then click on view. After clicking on view, next to loans and Lazada cards, in between you will see a last for good. So once you click on the last for good, you will see all the foundations that you can donate to. You can either donate to ABS-CBN, Caritas Manila, GMA Kapuso, Red Cross Philippines, Spring Rain Global, and UNICEF. So right now, this is where you can donate and be securely and knowingly that your money will go to a good hands and that it will be delivered to the people that need it most. So guys, I hope you guys also donate, or if you're feeling a little bit generous or have an extra income, you can surely donate here. And I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.